That non-stick pan you're using right now might be releasing toxic fumes directly into your kitchen.
Signs of trouble: scratches and deep brown discoloration. Once that coating is breached, particles and chemicals start breaking down into your food. But the real danger is heat. Most pans are safe only up to 500 degrees. Beyond that, it triggers Teflon flu, and for pet birds, these fumes are lethal in minutes. Clinically, it's called polymer fume fever. Symptoms mirror the flu: high fever, shivering, and a dry cough, usually peaking 4 to 8 hours after exposure. Stop preheating empty pans and ditch the metal utensils. One scratch or 1 minute of high heat can ruin the integrity of the layer instantly. Mistake 3. Aerosol cooking sprays. They contain lecithin, which leaves a sticky residue that permanently bonds to the non-stick surface, destroying its properties. Stick to wood or silicone tools and always hand wash. Dishwashers are too abrasive for these sensitive chemical coatings. The PFOA myth? It's been phased out since 2013. The real concern today is PTFE, inert at low temps, but the primary source of toxic fumes when overheated. Ready to switch? Cast iron and stainless steel are the gold standards. They're naturally non-reactive, last for generations, and handle high heat perfectly. Carbon steel and ceramic are also great non-toxic options. Ceramic is completely PTFE-free, giving you peace of mind with every meal. Be wary of green labels. Many ceramic pans use nanoparticles that aren't well regulated. Always look for third-party certifications like Oikotex for true safety. Scientific reports confirm user error is the biggest risk. Data shows thin pans can reach dangerous fume zones in under 3 minutes. Biological discoveries highlight how inhaling these particles triggers systemic inflammation. Protecting your lungs starts with choosing the right quality pan. Look for heavy-gauge bases that heat slowly, and always use a small amount of oil to protect the coating during lower temperature cooking. Don't be sentimental. If it's peeling, it's time to replace it. Long-lasting alternatives like cast iron are also significantly better for the environment. Final tip: always use your exhaust fan. Even at safe temperatures, cooking creates aerosols that must be cleared from your kitchen air.
Biology explains the risks. Compassion understands your home's safety. Subscribe for more science-backed stories.
So before you cook, remember, stop. That non-stick pan you're using could be a hazard. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next minute.